Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Toby's branch line. But I'm going to use Thomas. I will use Toby. Now his branch was unexpected surprise for me. I thought it would be one of the things I predicted. But I understand why. I mean, Toby's branch is a part of this guy's series. I understand why. Toby's branch. Like, I'm thinking that Harwood could be the next location maybe after the winter update. Because this game still yet to go through the winter. We're still a week away from Christmas. I like how they included Toby's entire parents, like some weird location, like the rickety old bridge. The rickety old bridge from that one episode of season 6. This bridge that was only shown in season 17, I think. Now, Misty Valley is nearby here, which and guys, like I said before, other Nowhere Really videos, they add hit model CGI and Brenner stuff. Like that was the Misty Valley. Here's they add class series, hit arrow location, CGI, and railway series. Like that was the black log from. Guys, I'm thinking that the next update to the game will be the day. Guys, I'm actually kind of getting back into the groove. Nope, I'm going to. Right. Toby's branch line is, even though his branch was barely shown in the CGI series, evidence is shown. Guys, I might still. If you hear me blowing on something, guys, while recording, you see Callan Castle? This is definitely a mall series map, because now these are all the locations that Toby has on this part of his line. And I'm really surprised that they didn't add Toby's branch. Guys, I spent years theorizing about the other locations that annoy Toby's branch line, because I don't like the character of Toby, in my opinion. Guys, Toby will be on a branch. His branch in my universe. I will mention that he retired to his own. Okay, so Toby retirement really happened when Toby retired from the Park branch, and the Fat Controller wants to build him his own branch line. Guys, I don't think a minor update might come to the game, because as shown in the CGI series, maybe. But then again, the map might have to be extended, and that's complicated. Yeah, I like how most of guys, I really want. Guys, here's what I will really want. After I'm done with Toby's branch, I can talk about what could be coming next in the game. positive for Hardwick being the next location. Alted, Castle, well, probably not. Guys, just like Toby's branch, I'm thinking that the Hardwick branch might not comment much. Maybe one class and maybe some mail. Speaking of which, I'm hoping that Toby's branch does get mail. Because a little western, yeah, look. The Brandon branch, the Farquhar branch, the Kildane, the Kirk Ronan branch got mail, the Pugh Godwin branch. No, let me just reset. Okay, again. From the top. The Arlsberg got mail, the Brandon branch got mail, Farquhar got mail, the Kildane, the Kirk Ronan line got mail, the main line got mail, the Peel Godwin branch line got mail. Toby would be the next logical step to get mail. Guys, but that's the one problem. Each of those guys, I know who one. It would have to be the Olsen Castle branch. I was talking about guys, they came out of nowhere randomly. I like how we get Arlsberg in. Even though we know it, we don't know what happened to it. I have an idea, a theory that when art production I like how Peel that Allsdale and come with a loop. Okay guys, Allsdale and is something it was only seen in the early nitrogen season. Like, it was only seen in the nitrogen season. I don't understand, but my fear is that maybe the art took, maybe because it didn't serve a purpose or maybe the story, okay, now, guys, I like that one of the few nitrogen, guys, many of the nitrogen locations that were common have been reworked to fit a more aesthetic appeal, like a consistency, like the Finlands is alley near the water, like near in the viaduct that was also prominent in the early in the nitrogen season was also shown to be on the main line. However, even though it's shown on screen in the CGI series, not using water, however, behind the game, it did the part thing. guys, and I'm thinking there could be a simulator around the world. Thomas or Solar Simulator or something like Tom, like based on guys. I like that song. I was singing, but I probably copyrighted. You know that. Guys, here's something I could see potentially coming. Like maybe, but guys, it's a week before Christmas and this game hasn't received snow. It's a week before Christmas. Guys, I'm going to just show you my new piece of my evidence again that I think in the Harwick one. Guys, for starters, their point. Guys, I'm thinking that the Harwick, that the extension down to Harwick could come in the near future, along with. Guys, for starters, I'm thinking that Arsburg Harbor could come to the game. Like maybe like I would say the next update, but my gut is telling me the winter. This is Arlberg West. Being how this game, I don't know, but guys, I'm 100% positive that okay, here's my prediction for future updates. One, the old jail manager guys. My big piece of evidence is look, points. Okay. From now on, I'm going to show you one piece of evidence I have from the entire thing when it could. Guys, I'm thinking that the road vehicles like Birdie, Bulgy, George, and whoever could come to the game next. My only piece of evidence that supports that is actually one piece of evidence. Besides the fact that it would have to probably be a big update to Nowhere Railway. This sad point. And look, there's no signals right here. Unless there are signals. And look how it's pointed. It's pointed down for green. Guys, but that might be too but I can honestly see a bus being. But guys, I would hope that the map gets a big retooling. The next update I can possibly see is some of the old character with the 3D face getting the new, with the 2D face getting the new 3D face. Yeah, guys, something I can see is some characters like Nia might get a new 3D face instead of the 2D one they have. Yeah, that's a small change. But, guys, she only has facial expression. So, yeah, I think most characters that have the old 2D face, 2D face, might be getting an update down the road. Like, I'm not suggesting anything I say. I'm just observing the facts that are presented to me. Thinking that well, maybe they will get, maybe both the China Clay Pits, sorry. So, guys, forgot I just said that. Maybe the next thing I'm hoping will come because it's prominent in the CGI series, is guys, I'm thinking 100% positive here that they have road and rails. It could be the Soul Surgeon Rescue Center. There might be a quest. guys, just think of it. But I would say, no wonder they have to do tunnel. If they go right through here onto the water, yeah. Wait, yeah, they would have their Sodor. It would probably have to go under the Sodor Search and Rescue Center. No, 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 no. Because the Sodor Search and Rescue Center. Anyway, wait. Okay, so let me recap. I'm thinking the Harwick branch line could be coming, as well as the Arlesdale miniature guys. These are all to the north of the island that make more sense. Well, west of the island, I'm thinking, again, the Solar Search and Rescue Center could be coming. I mean, here's another thing that I think I mentioned before in a past video, but I'm 100% positive that the Scarlowy guys might be coming along with the steamer. Of course, they will have to have their stations, and depending how much the guy cares, maybe it's gonna be maybe 20. Who knows? Until my next video, I'm not finding them. See you later. Goodbye.